Ready?
Yes!
Hamster will go to turtle. And turtle will go to parrot. And parrot will go to goldfish. And goldfish will go to tropical fish. And tropical fish will go to puppy. And puppy will go to kitten. And kitten will go to cat.
Beta?
Cat. And cat will go to dog. And dog will go to turtle. Aba, nakichismis pa. And turtle will go to hamster. And hamster will go to mouse. Wow! And mouse will go to rabbit. Yay! Galing ah. Iba naman ang laruin natin.